Hey everyone, if you want to buy stock in a different currency on Interactive Brokers, there are a few ways to do it depending on how much you're converting and how often you trade. I'll walk through the main methods from simplest to most advanced so you can pick what works best for you. The easiest way is to just let Interactive Brokers convert automatically when you buy. Log into the client portal or mobile app, search for the stock you want to buy in whatever currency it trades in, and enter your order details, buy, quantity, and order type. When you submit the order, Interactive Brokers notices you don't have enough of that currency and converts what you need on the fly. The order fills immediately, you'll see the stock position appear in your portfolio, and a small amount gets deducted from your base currency. On a €1,000 conversion, it costs around 30 cents, on €3,000, around 90 cents. This method is best for smaller trades, or if you only buy foreign stocks occasionally. If you're converting larger amounts or trade frequently, there's a cheaper way. Go to the Interactive Brokers website, click the red login button at the top right, go to Client Portal Login, and enter your credentials and two-factor authentication. Once you're in, click Trade on the menu bar, then choose Convert Currency. On the left side, choose the currency you have from the Currency I Have drop-down menu, then choose the currency you want from the Currency I Want drop-down. Enter the amount you'd like to convert, either the amount you have or the amount you want. The converter automatically calculates what's needed and sets up a market order for the conversion. Select Preview to review the order details, then select Submit. Accept any disclaimer that appears. The conversion completes, and you'll see your original currency reduced, plus the exchange fee, and the new currency increased in your cash balances. Wait 2 business days for settlement before the funds are fully available. Then search for and buy your stock using the converted currency. This method costs 0.002% with a $2 minimum, way cheaper for larger amounts. There's also a more advanced option if you want to convert and buy simultaneously. This one's in Trader Workstation. In the Order Entry panel, type the stock symbol you want to trade, click Enter, and select the stock on the foreign exchange. Select whether you want to buy or sell, then look for the option to attach an FX order in the Order Entry panel. Trader Workstation auto-detects the correct currency pair based on your account's base currency and the currency for the shares you're buying. The Order Entry panel adds plus FX order in yellow font to confirm the FX order was added. Submit the combined order and both trades execute together. For most people, auto-conversion works fine for small trades. For larger amounts, manual conversion saves money. Just remember the 2-day settlement wait. Thanks for watching.